Okay, here we are on the inside of the RV, and I'm going to show you what we're going to replace here. This is a Hey brand 10.1 cubic foot residential model refrigerator. We bought this about a year and a half ago because the original RV fridge went out on us and it was just cheaper, and the way we live, this works fine. And we expected to get more than a year and a half out of it, but we didn't. We did buy the same refrigerator. Again, it's going to be delivered tomorrow. Only this time we bought the extended warranty with it, so we'll get a little bit more use out of it. We bought a 3-year extended warranty out of it. But it's got its benefits. It's huge. You know, 10.1 cubic foot refrigerator in 33 foot RV is a big fridge. We're really happy with it. I've got the tripod set up. I'm gonna hook this up to the tripod here, and I'm gonna show you the actual R&R. This fridge has been out for about 6 days for us, and we've been using our Wintner 65 quart 12 volt refrigerator to keep our meat from spoiling and whatnot. I'll do a video on that later, but for now, and excuse the mess, it's, you know, morning. We didn't do the dishes yet, but give it time. We'll get to it. All right, stand by.